8-liter 16-cylinder engine, 1,500 horsepower, 0 to 400 km per hour in only 32 seconds. Today, I want to show you one of the most incredible supercars in the world, the Bugatti Chiron, and my review of the LEGO Technic version of this supercar. The Bugatti Chiron is built practically by hand in France. It has a carbon fiber structure and the base price is around $3.5 million. The LEGO model has 3,600 pieces and it took me around 12 hours only to assemble the motor and gearbox into the chassis. Let me show you some of its characteristics. The gearbox truly reproduces the shifting experience with paddles at the wheel, and the 16-cylinder engine is carefully reproduced in this version of LEGO. The assembly experience includes the marriage process, one of the key stages in the assembly of this supercar. Among the mechanical curiosities, we find that the steering wheel controls the direction, in addition to having four-wheel drive. Includes four-wheel suspension with double shock absorber and spring. A pretty detail is that the rims are identical to the model presented at the Geneva Motor Show, faithfully reproducing the caliper and the ceramic disc. For some people, the cabin is one of the most striking things in this LEGO. However, for me the most entertainment to assemble was, as in previous models, the gearbox and the engine, because I consider that in these elements are the most interesting things that LEGO Technic can offer. And it is that the details such as the back in the trunk or the leather interiors are incredibly represented, but the mechanical capabilities are the elements for which I like to assemble LEGO, such as the rear wing that in the real model rises automatically when it reaches 200 km per hour, and in the LEGO model it can be activated with a special key. What did you like about this review? I would like to read or listen to your comments in my videos, and I hope you can follow me on my networks. I thank you for your visit and I wait for you in my next videos. See you soon!